Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys, and in today's video we're going to be diving into a comparison between Visual Studio Code versus Visual Studio, and both of them are actually made by Microsoft. So we're going to see which one would actually fit your needs better. So let's just stick around and we will break this down for you. So first things first, let's start with an introduction to the tools. Okay, let's see what actually sets them apart. So Visual Studio Code, we're going to start with this, or VS Code. It's basically a lightweight, open source code editor which is designed for its flexibility. It's perfect for web developers, data scientists, and hobbyists. And on the other hand, we have a Visual Studio, which is robust. It's fully integrated development environment, is tailored for a large scale, enterprise level projects, and it supports application development for Windows, Android, iOS, and even more, guys. Okay. And next, let's look at its performance and system requirements. Okay, so VS Code is actually known for its speed and minimal system requirements. So it's quick to install, it's lightweight, and it doesn't bog down on your machine. But Visual Studio, however, guys, is a more, let's say, resource intensive. It requires significant storage and memory. So this trade-off often comes with advanced feature that supports larger and more complex projects. And if you look at, let's say, language support and extensibility, both tools support a wide range of languages, but they do so differently. So VS Code here, it supports over 30 programming languages out of the box, with thousands of extensions to add more functionality, as you can see. And then we have Visual Studio. So Visual Studio actually has fewer built-in language options, you know. It excels in a deep integrated support for languages like C Sharp, C++, and .NET. Okay, so if you focuses on web development or quick edits, then VS Code is a go-to, guys. So if you want to do full stack applications or game development, then a Visual Studio would actually take the lead. And now, if we look at features and functionality, well, VS Studio is highly customizable, guys. As you can see, look, it has features like a IntelliSense, it has debugging, it has Git integration available through extensions. It's basically ideal, guys, for developers who like to build their tools to fit specific workflows. While Visual Studio, guys, on the other hand, it offers you a rich, out of the box experience with features like advanced debugging, okay, live unit testing, and seamless database integration. And it's basically designed to handle everything from coding to development, deployment within the same environment. And if you look at it in terms of collaboration and version control, then both tools will actually shine when it comes to collaboration. Look, Visual uh, Studio Code, it integrates smoothly with GitHub and Azure, making it great for small teams. And Visual Studio, however, guys, offers extensive tools for enterprise teams, such as, Azure DevOps integration and Team Live Share sessions. You can get that as well. And if collaboration at scale is crucial, then Visual Studio is the better option. Now let's look at it in terms of pricing, guys, okay? VS Code. Let's start with VS Code. VS Code, guys, is completely free and open source, which makes it accessible to everyone. Okay? While Visual Studio offers a free community edition, small products, but it requires paid licenses to actually, for professional or enterprise versions, especially for larger teams or advanced features. So for the final verdict, guys, which one is better? Okay. So I want you look, choose Visual Studio Code if you're looking for, a fast customizable editor for web development, data science or hobby projects. But you can opt for Visual Studio if you're working on something large scale, enterprise grade software, or you basically just need an all-in-one IDE. So ultimately, guys, the right tool depends on your specific needs as a developer. And are you a Team VS Code or Visual Studio, guys? Let me know in the comments, guys. Don't forget to like the video if I helped you out in this comparison and I shared some insights to you. Guys, make sure you also subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications so I can see you guys in the next